This is essentially the journey that I put everybody on. It's 3 months. Each block, the jump start is probably the easiest because if it's 3 months, you have the enthusiasm, you hopefully have the weather, like now, springtime, and you'll have the guidance. After you make it past the first 3 months, then there's this thing called a float phase I come up with. And I think the float phase is where if you just maintain what you're doing the first 3 months, maybe just fine-tune it a little bit, you get through the next 3 months. That's 6 months you would have made it. And usually in Chicago, if you start in the spring, you still have great weather. Change around your activity, add more activity. And then you summit. So once you make it past the 6 month mark, you just beat the majority of Americans as far as sustainable change. At that point, you can redo your focus and then figure out the next summit for the season. I usually like to tell everybody not to hibernate, but to kind of just take it down a little notch for the winter and just don't get hurt. Maintain it until springtime again. At that point in time, you refocus on the new summit.